guys, today we'll be making an adorable polka dot spring hair bow. What you will need: the mini Bowdabra bow maker. I have 1.5 inch wide yellow polka dot ribbon. And then I also have 7/8 inches wide white and also yellow polka dot ribbon. Bow wire, a 3/8 inch wide piece 4 inches long, a hair clip, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold my bow wire in half and place it down in the center of my Bowdabra. I'm going to start with my largest piece. It's actually 24 inches. I'm going to scrunch it in the center, fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. And then I'm going to make a loop. So I'm going to scrunch again and place it down. And do the same thing with the other side. And the good thing about the mini Bowdabra, you can use the measuring tool that's on the Bowdabra to help you better estimate your loops. And then I'm going to scrunch with my wand. And then you can also make any adjustments that you need. And this looks so cute. This will make an adorable hair bow by itself, but we're going to keep going. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing with my white piece. I'm going to scrunch, place it down, and then I'm going to make a loop. I'm going to scrunch it again, twist it, and place it down. Now I have to twist it so that I can make sure the right side of my ribbon is showing at all times. If your ribbon is the same on both sides, then you don't have to twist your ribbon. Alright, and I'm making my loops just slightly smaller than the first loops. And I'm cutting the tail slightly shorter as well. Alright, and I'm going to repeat this same step with my yellow polka dot ribbon. So I'm going to scrunch, and then I will have to twist this ribbon because it has polka dots only on one side. And I want to make sure my polka dots are very visible. So I'm making my first loop, scrunch and twist and place it down. And then scrunch one more time. And when I'm placing it down this final time, I do not have to twist it because it's going straight into my tail. I'm going to use my wand to help scrunch everything together one more time, make any necessary adjustments. I'm going to cut my other tail. It looks so cute and precious. So I'm going to take my bow wire, the two open ends inside of the loop. I'm going to hold my bow in place and give it a nice tug and remove it from the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to tie it in a knot a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then I'm going to just cut away the excess bow wire. And there it is, it's looking so cute and precious. Next, I cut about a 4-inch long piece of my white ribbon, and I'm going to tie it in a simple knot and hot glue it in place in the center of my Bowdabra. Next, I'm going to use my 3/8 inch wide piece and hot glue it on top of my hair clip. Alright, so the clip is all done. I'm just going to place hot glue all along the back of the clip. When I'm done, I'm going to press it to the back of my hair bow, just to make sure it's nice and secure. And it looks so cute and precious. Adjust it as you see fit. You can ribbon cut the ends, you can make them longer, shorter, make the loops larger. It's completely up to you. Just have fun with it and make it your own. And this hair bow is perfect for spring.